Sports and Nutrition, Class 12th Physical Education. Balanced diet. Balanced diet is an important part of maintaining good health and can help you feel your best. This means eating a wide variety of foods in the right proportions and consuming the right amount of food drink to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. Your diet, a bank account, good food choices are good investments. Nutrition. Nutrition, the process of taking food into the body and absorbing the nutrients in these foods. Nutrients, it is a specific component of the food required by the body in specific amount for a specific function. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, water. Macronutrients. Macronutrients refer to the three basic components of every diet: carbohydrates, fat, protein. Carbohydrates, main source of energy. 1 gram of carbohydrate gives 4 calories. It provides quick energy to body. They made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Simple carbohydrates: glucose, fructose, sucrose, maltose and lactose. They are sweet in taste, soluble in water. Complex carbohydrates like starch, dextrine, glycogen, and cellulose. These are not sweet in taste, insoluble in water. Carbohydrates rich food like pulses, nuts, oil seeds, soya beans, leeks, milk products, onion. Fat. Fats are complex molecules composed of fatty acids and glycerol. Fats are not primary source of energy. They supply energy more than twice that supplied by proteins or carbohydrates. 1 gram fat gives 9 calories. Fat divided in two groups: saturated fat, unsaturated fat. Saturated fat, coconut oil, desi ghee. Unsaturated fat, olive oil, vegetable oil. Protein, essential for growth and repair of muscles and other body tissues. It made up of smaller units called amino acids. It contain carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen. 1 gram protein contain 4 calories. Human body make only 13 non-essential amino acids, 9 essential amino acid taken from food. Micronutrients. Vitamins. A vitamin is organic compound required as a nutrient in tiny amount by an organism. Types of vitamins: water soluble vitamin B and C, fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Minerals, it required in very small amounts. 4% of body weight is made up of minerals required for healthy teeth, bones and muscles. Classification of minerals. Macrominerals, microminerals. Macrominerals: calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, sulfur. Microminerals: iron, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride, chromium. Nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. Nutritive components of diet: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, mineral. Non-nutritive components of diet: fiber or rubbish, water, color compounds, flavor compounds, plant compounds.